Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your body glow in CapCut application. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first thing first, we can click on this effect option. And here we need to select the video effect. And in this video effect, we have to go to the lens category. Okay, and here we have to scroll down until we find the edge glow effect. This one, just click on this effect and you can adjust the effect by clicking on this adjust button, and you can go right to make it super glow like this, and you can click on this check mark after you're done adjusting the effect, and just drag the effect if you want to make it align with your video. Again, this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make your body glow in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.